you're looking at right now is a 70% keyboard that can turn into a TKL or a numpad, depending on your mood. Hey everyone, welcome back to Scoop Bar. Today we're checking out the NV70, a 70% mechanical keyboard kit designed by GDK Lab and sold by KeyBay Tech. This board is part of GDK's new generation design direction, and the inspiration comes straight from the Hyundai N Vision 74 concept car. And yeah, you can see it. This thing leans hard into sharp lines, layered geometry, and that mechanical grill heavy look. But the design isn't just visual, the entire right side of the board is modular. You can run it as a navigation cluster or swap it for a numpad or macro pad. Under the hood, you're getting dual gasket mount, support for hot swap or solder PCBs, and tri-mode connectivity. Wired, 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth, powered by a chunky 5000 mAh battery. Group buy pricing starts at around 150 USD, which already puts this in a very interesting spot. Quick first impression, the kit comes in a proper carrying case. There's an actual printed manual inside. The magnetic pogo pin daughter board makes the internal super clean, and that swappable right side is honestly clever, but it's not perfect. The separated number row can mess with touch typing, and if you're a hardcore numpad user, there's no 2U0 key option. Still, for the price, there's a lot happening here. Quick pause. Scoop Bar is a passion project run by me and my good friend V alongside our full-time jobs. If this kind of long-form keyboard content helps you out, hit like, consider subscribing, and if you use a few of the links in the description, it helps the channel more than you think. Alright, back to the board. Let's talk about what you get. Inside the box, you've got the NV70 bare bones case, your selected plate, your selected PCB, a full foam kit, gasket accessories, a set of GDK PCB stabilizers, a screwdriver, a USB-C cable, and that printed user manual. And yes, everything ships inside a padded carrying case. That alone already feels thoughtful. Layout wise, this is a 70% with a twist. The right side has a detachable cover, letting you switch between a function rowless TKL style layout with arrows or a numpad or macro cluster. Both hot swap and solder PCBs are supported. You get split backspace, split left and right shift, and ISO compatibility. If you go with a tri-mode PCB, you're getting a wired 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth backed by that 500 mAh battery. Physically, the board measures about 355 by 113 by 32 millimeters, with a front height at around 16.8 millimeter without feet. The typing angle is 8 degrees, and fully built, you're looking at roughly 1.75 kilograms. There are also two optional stainless steel weight finishes, machining marked stainless steel and mirror stainless steel, depending on how flashy you want the back to look. For group buy details, this one opened January 25th, 2026, wraps up around February 10th, with fulfillment projected for Q2 2026. Vendors include KeyBay Tech in North America, Prototypus in UK, Gion Works in Korea, Base Keys in Japan, Delta Keys Co in Europe, Ktex.store in Singapore, and more. GDK Lab is a keyboard design studio known for their K-series and D-series boards. The NV70 is part of their newer design direction, more expressive, more layered, and more experimental. They pull a lot from automotive design, and for the NV70, they focus on the Hyundai N Vision 74. Instead of copying shapes directly, they extracted ideas, retro future lines, grill patterns, and mechanical tension, and translated that into a keyboard. One thing worth noting, GDK actually listens. I had a chance to chat with them, and it is clear that they are receptive to feedback, and they fast-tracked on adding the extended plate, which allows screw and stabilizers. GDK largely works with plate-mounted stabs because that is the overwhelmingly preferred stab of choice in China. So the fact that they're willing to adapt and add a new plate this late into the process for the Western market says something. On the vendor side, KeyBay Tech started as a small group of friends messing around with keyboards, and that turned into a proper storefront. They now run a physical shop in Scarborough, Ontario, and they've built a reputation around solid curation, fast shipping, and being approachable, especially for newer builders. There have been reports around a previous GDK board where buyers run into real delivery and QC issues. From what I've looked into, those concerns were legitimate, and the situation was made even worse by poor communication between the manufacturer and and the lead vendor at the time. However, for the NV70 specifically, outside the issues I've already mentioned in this review, I haven't personally seen additional problems with both units I have on hand, but I also can't speak for units I haven't handled myself. KeyBay Tech mentioned that they're actively pushing for tighter QC on this project and staying close to GDK throughout the production. So take this as context, not a call to panic. It's a group buy, so do your homework, weigh the risk, and decide if it's right for you. On a personal level, I do believe Chester at KeyBay Tech will make sure the customers are taken care of. Take that as you will. Alright, back to it. Visually, this thing is busy, in a good way in my opinion. Sharp edges, layered rear geometry, grille motifs, and mixed surface finishes all at depth. The bottom case and weight uses different textures, so it doesn't look flat from any angle. Color options include anodized gunmetal gray, silver, dark gold, lilac, and light pink, plus spray-coated elephant gray, yellow, and flash black. Quick reminder, renders are renders. Final finish may look a little different in person. Lighting-wise, there's a bright, diffuse RGB strip along the side. If you're not into lighting, you can shut it off completely, which I always appreciate. Firmware support is via QMK based. You'll need to load a JSON file manually, but once you're in, key mapping and RGB control is easy. Per key RGB and side lighting are fully adjustable, including brightness and off states. Personally though, I love to see ZMK support down the line as it has better licensing option and superb battery performance. Typing feel is solid and adjustable. The Dual-Gasket setup gives you a balanced experience, and swapping between plate and PCB gaskets actually changes the feel in noticeable ways. Plate choice and foam tuning let you dial things in further. The 1.2mm flex cut PCB can be paired with a flex cut FR4 plate, and that gives you a very cushioned per key typing experience. The modular right side does affect ergonomics. A numpad changes how far your hand travels compared to a nav cluster, so that's something to think about based on how you work. Sound-wise, the included foams, case, PCB, and P do a good job cutting out any hollowness. The magnetic pogo daughter board also keeps the inside cleaner, which doesn't hurt acoustics. Stabilizers are fine. They're factory lube, plate-mounted GDK stabs, but they can tick. Relubing them helps a lot, and my only beef with plate-mounted stabs is it usually means it's a lock plate without layout options. One concern worth mentioning, there's a mounting point near the spacebar that can cause uneven feel depending on your build. That's something I love to see adjusted later. The NV70 is for someone who wants options. If you like unique layouts, automotive inspired designs, and the idea of switching between nav cluster and numpad, this board makes sense. The price makes it approachable for newer builders, while the design keeps it interesting for longtime enthusiasts. The carrying case and manual also help lower the entry barrier. This might not be your pick if you need a traditional numpad layout that relies on a 2U0. So, final thoughts. The NV70 brings a lot to the table. Distinct design, modular layout, dual gasket mounting, strong value, and a wide spread of color options. There are trade-offs, however. Stabilizers need work, the busy aesthetics may not suit some people, and the layout won't click with everyone. But none of that feels like a deal breaker at this price. If you're interested, check out the group buy timeline and your regional vendor, KeyBay Tech, Prototypist, John Works, Space Keys, and the rest are linked below. As always, thanks for hanging out with us. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next build.